Massive river flooding expected in China's Guangdong, threatening millions. Reuters. Beijing. Reuters. Major rivers, waterways and reservoirs in China's Guangdong province are threatening to unleash Dan Zhou's floods, forcing the government on Sunday to enact emergency response plans to protect more than 127 million people. Calling the situation grim, local weather officials said sections of rivers and tributaries at the Ijiang and Beijiang river basins are hitting water levels in a rare spike that only has a 1 in 50 chance of happening in any given year, state broadcaster. Below are your comments. China's rivers flood regularly with a degree of fury which we Westerners are unfamiliar. We are fortunate to live in the hospitable part of the planet. Hey she. I think they should turn around, don't drown. The neighbors would be happy. At least, the nation has something else to focus and not meddle in the neighbors' borders. China built the Three Gorges Dam, the biggest. The catchment area and water backup is the main cause for flooding. It happens every year. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.